Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Michelle B. Del Rio, 43 years old, widow and have 3 children, 9 years old, 17 years old, 23 years old. And my 3 children, me, me living together of my mother-in-law. That's why I can work well because less stress and memories about my 3 children. My father and my mother are already died and have 3 brothers and 5 sisters, and all of that living here in the Philippines and have own family. I have work experience there in Philippines and abroad, Saudi and Dubai. My main job is household cleaning and cooking, and I don't have my problem or allergy, foods or pet. I'm my future job. I will make sure in my doing well done before, and I always follow and obey my employer and family members, their rules and regulation inside their home with respect, and I make sure to take care your house and your family members. I am good helper as you guided me. Thank you, and hoping to serve you and your family with love and care.